How's it going? Jasper from nocode here. In part 2 of our no-code intro series, let's talk about why no-code matters. Why is it important and why you should be learning no-code right now to future-proof yourself. In the next decade, one of the biggest pains faced by organizations and businesses is the talent gap. It is especially true when it comes to technical talents. We are simply running short on developers, where the demand for business-related applications being 5 times higher than what we can offer in the job market. However, this gap can be massively reduced when startup founders or organization leaders embrace the adoption of no-code. This way, founders themselves can build their products or automations to reduce the need for extra hands. And companies can turn business experts into citizen developers to create digital solutions for everyday operation problems without using up valuable and limited technical resources. And many companies have definitely realized more than 84% of the businesses are already adopting low-code and no-code into their organization to fill the technical talent gap left by the shortage of developers. And 68% of the organizations are looking into upskilling their employees to have technical skills. And this is why you should be learning no-code right now, because it will become the essential skills in the workplace, regardless if you're starting your own business or you are trying to land a job. The no-code audience can be broken down into 3 big groups: entrepreneurs or indie hackers, citizen developers, and students. Let's talk about why no-code is important for different groups and how their primary approach to no-code will differ slightly. First, let's talk about entrepreneurs. No-code tools and platforms hold immense importance for entrepreneurs or indie hackers. They provide the means to rapidly prototype and launch minimum viable products without the need for extensive coding knowledge or hiring expensive development team. Here's why no-code is crucial for these people. First, speed and agility. No-code and low-code platforms reduce app development time by 90%. With visual interfaces and pre-built components, they can build functional and working products and test their business concepts with minimum time or effort spent. Second, cost effectiveness. Traditional software development can be very expensive, especially for startups and small businesses with very limited resources. No-code eliminates the need to hire expensive developers. Indie hackers or entrepreneurs can now allocate the remaining funds to other essential areas, to other critical areas like marketing, to acquire more users, to get more feedback, to improve on their product. So for entrepreneurs building with no-code, it's all about testing business ideas and iterate on the idea with very minimum time or money spent. Speed to launch is key for them. Hence, for entrepreneurs, finding the right tools for the right job becomes critically important. Now, let's talk about citizen developers. Citizen developers are non-technical individuals within a business organization who build automations or internal software tools to streamline their business processes or to help solve operation problems. They are usually employees who possess business expertise and identified opportunities to solve problems with software solutions within the organization. No-code platforms are essential for these users, and here are why. No-code help increase productivity. No-code empower citizen developers to build applications and automate processes that align with their specific needs by eliminating the reliance on professional developers. They can quickly now create solutions leading to increased productivity and efficiency within their roles. Second, collaboration and innovation. No-code fosters collaboration between citizen developers and technical teams. These platforms enable citizen developers to communicate their requirement more effectively and to collaborate on projects and work alongside developers to create more advanced application to help serve their customer better. Third, because of the reasons we have mentioned, no-code help free up tech resources. No-code platforms democratizes technology by allowing individuals across different departments to contribute to software development, hence freeing up technical resources, which is very valuable and very limited for more complex and more meaningful projects that could drive higher business yields. So for citizen developers, picking tools that can be directly integrated with your current solutions, such as spreadsheet, would be the most ideal. Collaboration and documentation are also very important parts of the evaluation because you want your tool to be easily maintained and also extended by other team members. Otherwise, you'll be creating more roadblocks for the team down the line if your no-code solutions are not properly documented or not going to be maintained in the long term. All right, let's talk about students. If you're in school, doesn't matter if you're in high school, bachelor, master's degree, or even in PhD or doing an MBA, or whether you want to launch your own business or land a job, no-code is highly relevant to you, and here are the reasons. First, employment preparation. No-code is gaining popularity in the industry, and as we have mentioned before, companies are already adopting no-code solutions to streamline processes and to build application faster and empower the non-technical stakeholders. So by learning and demonstrating proficiency in no-code, students can position themselves as valuable assets in the job market. Second, learning and skill development. Students can use no-code tools to quickly create prototypes and demonstrate their ideas or projects. This allows them to enhance their problem-solving, customer-facing, and design thinking skills. Last, entrepreneur opportunities. No-code empowers students to bring their ideas to life. They can build and launch their own products, test business models, and learn more about the intricacies of starting a venture instead of being stuck at the point where they couldn't find a technical co-founder to bring their business idea to launch. So for students, I believe they should try as many tools as they want and find their own combination of tools that they enjoy using, or it fits their learning habit or the problems they are trying to solve. And because most of the no-code knowledge is in fact transferable, so for students, I wouldn't say trying as many tools as possible is a waste of time, because eventually your investment in learning no-code tools will pay off in the long run. All right, in summary, no-code democratizes software development to the non-technical populations. It empowers non-technical users and opens up more opportunity for collaboration and innovation. And it is highly relevant to really everyone, regardless if you are the business owner, you're the founder, or you are trying to go into an organization and become an integral part of their process. So start learning no-code today. And this is today's topic. In the next chapter, we are going to help you navigate the no-code landscape by giving an overview of what the basic terminologies are, the notable tools, and also give our recommended tools to start with. Until next time, ciao.